Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get bubble water in Minecraft. Place soul sand or magma block under a full water source column to start bubble flow. Use kelp to turn flowing water into source blocks quickly, then remove kelp and place the block beneath. Test with a boat or item to confirm direction, and remember placement precision matters in tight redstone setups. In this video, I will show how to get bubble water in Minecraft. Build a vertical column and place kelp from the bottom up to convert flowing water into source blocks, then remove the kelp. Ensure every block in the column is a source before adding soul sand or magma. This method saves time and materials, and it prevents leaks that break redstone or mob farm efficiency, so plan your build layout. In this video, I will show how to get bubble water in Minecraft. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup effortless with voice control and smart mapping. It handles stray blocks and dust so you can focus on builds. If you like this tip, subscribe and like to support the channel and get more casual hardware picks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to get bubble water in Minecraft. Use upward bubble columns as player elevators or item hoists, and downward columns for mob sorting or killing floors. Mix with signs, trapdoors, or doors to stop water flow without breaking your source blocks. Bubble water integrates well with redstone timers and hopper systems, giving cleaner automated farms and compact base vertical movement solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.